Game Dev Journey. Welcome to the next lecture. Right, we need a title for our game, and I'm calling it Pixel Adventure. I've gone to a website called cooltext.com where you can select a font from below, type in anything you like, and it'll create the font. It'll create the logo in that font for you. I've typed in Pixel Adventure, and this looks great to me. So I'm going to create this logo and download it. And I'm going to drag it in to our game. There we go, Pixel Adventure. I'm going to place it there. You'll see that it's made it a sprite. So it looks great right there. Okay, the only thing is it's put it on the background layer, and I actually want it to be on its own layer. So what I'm going to do is add another layer here. I'm going to call it menu. This layer will be for all the menu items. I'm going to delete that. It's deleted from the project, but it's still up here. Now I'm going to lock the background, leave menu unlocked, and drag the title on. So now it is on the menu layer, Pixel Adventure. Right, so we're going to add our menu items now, and these are going to be sprite fonts. Navigate to our resources, and you're going to go to the folder free, menu, and then text. And here you'll see that you've got black text and white text. Now we're going to bring both of those in to our game. So I'm going to drag them both and drop them here on object types. So there's text black and text white. So now we have text black and text white. Now these are sprite fonts. That just means that the sprites will look the same no matter what device they're running on. We're going to double click, search for sprite font over here. It says displays text on the screen using a sprite sheet. We're going to say insert, click. Okay, so we'll just drag in our sprite sheet. There it is. Okay, and we can close that. Right, now it's asking us what do we want to type. And if you come and have a look here, you can go down to text over here. Okay, and what we'll type is start new game. Okay, and our sprite font is this one that we've got. That's perfect. And we've got our character width here is going to be 8 by 10. So we're going to just change this. Let's make sure that it's the same on every single display screen. Here are all the items we can use. We're actually going to scale it to 200. And we're going to make it center. So center, no wrapping, and the origin is also center. Okay, and we actually want this all in caps, start new game. There we go, because we've only got capital letters in our sprite sheet, sprite font. So there we go, start new game, and we want it in white. So let's just change the color here to white, everything on for white. And there we have it. Now, what I want to do is make it look like there's a shadow behind this text. So we're going to use the black text to give it that effect of a shadow behind it. Okay, so we're gonna insert another sprite font. Let's call this shadow text. And I'll put it in over here. Just grab our black one, close that. Okay, don't worry about where it is right now. We want it all off, or black. And we want it to say start new game. And the width is 8 by 10. And we're going to scale it up to 200%. And we also want it center, origin in the center. Okay, so it looks the same. Now, what we want to do is we want to offset it just behind the start new game one. So if we look at the position of start new game, it's 416, 256. So we want the height to be the same, but we want the width to be slightly different. This one, it can go to the bottom. So now it's behind. And now we offset it a bit. Let's try that. There we go. So now you see it looks like it's got a nice little shadow on the background for the new game. Let's see if we can save ourselves a bit of time and just copy and paste it. Let's just delete these ones we didn't use. Okay, so we got shadow text, and we'll call this one light text. Okay, so let's copy these. Copy it, paste it, and put it down here. So we've got start new game, and now we're going to change this. I didn't grab both of them. Okay, I'm just going to, the offset was different. Okay, so let's paste it. Okay, and let's change this to settings. Okay, and the back will also change to settings. Okay, put that there. There. Put that there. Let's change this to, there we go. So we've got start new game, settings, and what do we want? Continue. Okay, so let's maybe move settings down a little, so we can have continue up there. Okay, and let's paste in again. And let's change this to continue. And let's make this say continue. Okay, so let's put continue. What am I doing? Okay, so start, continue. Okay, so we have start, continue, and settings. And now we need a little selector icon to select between our three options. So what I'm going to do is provide you with one that I've already made, and that'll be in the resources for this lecture. And it's just a menu pointer. So all you do is you double click, search, select a sprite. Let's name it menu pointer. Insert, click, and then you open and you go load frames, and you load it from that file, menu pointer file that I've just given you. And here you can see all the frames of the menu pointer. if I put him there, you'll see now he slides very easily between the different options that we have. Okay, but we've got to make it so that when we press up and down on the keyboard, it moves between the menu options. So we're going to have to go to our event sheet to do that. And that's what we'll do in the next lecture.